Well, I'm going to make a tutorial on hooking up a 110 power well pump. Fairly simple to some people, and then not so simple to others. But if you follow this, you can't go wrong at all. At all. Anyway, what I did, I used a cord end so I could plug into the generator. This is for the well pump, by the way. Like I told you, it is a 110 volt well pump, not a 220. So I've got the wiring black on black, white on white, and then the ground also is connected. Ground is your green. To turn the well pump on, you splice your black wires one leg goes up here, up to the switch that turns my well on. The other leg of the black line, you're not using both white and black, you're using just black going up to this switch. So you got one leg coming into the switch and one leg going out of the switch. And then you hook your ground to it. But once you coming back out, you're going into this main line that goes over, across, and into the pump, or the well tank. That is the pressure tank. And I got my power and ground and your hot leg coming from the well distributor back out to this pressure tank. If you follow this, this is from the switch area. This is from the pump. This is from the pump distributor. This one here is from your coming from the generator. If you do it differently, it's not going to work. But you got to do it that way. You can see pretty simply, this is coming from the generator. This leg here, this one here, is coming from the pump distributor. As long as you hook it up this direction, this way, I want to hook back out so you can see it. It's pretty easy. This is for 110 well pump. If you hook it up this way, you will not go wrong. If you follow the directions on hooking up your well pump, you will not go wrong. I took the pressure switch out, which is an overload, because it kept tripping on me. Yeah, it kept tripping on me until it finally wouldn't work anymore, because I could not find a distributor or find any help in wiring this well pump. Everything was all trial and error. So this wire here for your 110 well pump, for that overload switch, it never gets hot. So I'm gonna be cutting those off, and it's just gonna hardwire it. That way it will never have to be worried about. But anyway, that is real simply how to hook up your well pump. You got your wire that goes out and goes into the well, comes up, green wire, red wire, black wire, white wire. And then there's another black wire, green wire, which comes up from the power side. So anyway, that is how to hook up your well pump. That is your tutorial. I hope that helps people. Hope it helps all you. If you're having all kinds of problems trying to hook up your 110 power to your well pump, that is the simplest wiring diagram I could give you. And if you follow that, you can't go wrong. And yeah, I got my solar going. Yeah, it looks like a mess, but you know, it works. I've got my water lines going out to the trees. It works. It's all done by timer, running off of my 500 watt power inverter. It comes on at 9 o'clock in the evening and waters my tree line. And it's all the trees are getting drip watered. Anyway, that is your tutorial on 110 hookup for your well pump. Thanks for watching. This is Brian. If this was helpful by any means, if this was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate your watching. Have a great day.